Here's how you can tie the 69 knot, or better known as the Zeppelin bend. I'm going to show you how to tie it and then tell you all about it. You'll never forget how to tie this knot because the number 6 looks like a 9 if you rotate it 180 degrees. And that's the only reason why. That's it. So here's how to tie it. With the cord on the left, we're going to make an overhand loop so that the working end is mostly pointing away from you so that it looks like a 6. Notice the working end laying over the standing end, hence overhand. Then with the opposite strand, we're going to form an underhand loop so that the working end is mostly pointing towards you. Once again, notice that the working end is under the standing end this time, therefore underhand. From here, I'm going to take the loop of the 6 and lay it on top of the 9. Then the running end up top bends back and through both of the loops to the front. And then the running end from the 9 bends forwards and through both of the loops from the back. From here, work the slack out of the knot through both the running ends and the standing ends. And just like that, we've tied our Zeppelin knot. This knot is quite reliable and can be untied quite easily even after being heavily loaded. However, not while it's under load. And for critical loads such as when climbing and joining 2 ropes, you do want to keep the running ends longer. The Zeppelin knot, or rather Zeppelin bend, has little tendency to slip or bind, and it's also shake resistant in all materials. And as already mentioned, even after being under heavy load, it's quite easy to untie. One disadvantage of this knot is that close attention is required when tying the knot, as it can be hard to tell if the knot is tied properly even after it has been tied. Oh, and why is it called a Zeppelin knot or Zeppelin bend? Well, apparently there have been claims that it has been used to secure airships, but that is highly improbable and highly unlikely. But if you're looking for a great knot to join 2 ropes, you might want to consider this one.